In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on Facebook at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook application and next hit on your menu icon just right there at the bottom right. And after that, tap on your profile picture to open up your profile settings. Next, hit these three dots icon and there select activity log. Now here you are able to manage your post, and here at your post page you see all your posts from your account. You can select some kind of post and then delete them by tapping on recycle bin button, or you can tap here at all to check mark all your posts at Facebook and tap on recycle bin to delete all that posts at once. Also, you can archive that posts and deselect if you change your mind and don't want to delete your posts anymore. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.